Yeah, you did.
Yeah, but I didn't say that to you, so there's nothing. I can say fuck if I want to.
No, that's against the rules. You can't swear. Hey, dude, come back. Oh my god, come back, dude.
Fuck you.
Dude, you can't say that. That's against the rules. Oh my
What?
god. You can't just like swear to me. That's rude and that's also against the rules.
Trico, I need your help. Friend, he's a mod and he is mob abusing. He's random throws me and shit like that.
No, dude.
And he has no proof that I,
four times
no
and
proof.
And you know it. And you know it, dude.
Can you get the fuck away from me?
You can't swear to a mod.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Unholy should be banned from the server.
Should I be banned? I'm gonna be a mod in 1 week.
You're gonna be a mod? Huh, such a lie. You can't be a mod. That's the funniest thing I've ever seen. You being a mod? Huh.
Oh dear.